Good morning everyone and welcome to today's maths lesson. Looking at the learning intention today, I know we've done quite a few lessons on making equal groups, but we've been looking at equal groups so that we can skip count and solve multiplication problems. Now we're moving on to division or sharing or grouping. So we are using our knowledge of equal groups to help us share equally this time rather than skip count. Things we need to remember: equal means the same. Equal groups, they have to be equal groups. How many groups do we need to share these things into? How many, once we've shared them equally, how many are in one of those groups? Okay, so that's our learning intention for today.